Welcome to the new Tool Catalog Features demonstration for the S2M Center 2011 R2. In this video, we will be discussing the new features in the Tool Catalog of the S2M Center. With the introduction of the S2M Center 2011 R2, you now have more options available to you for assigning tools to machines. To look at the new tool assignment functionality, let's go ahead and open the Tool Catalog. To do so, we need to click on the Tool button in the Catalog group. With the Tool Catalog open and a tool selected, we can see our machine property. Let's expand this property to take a look at the various options we now have. You can now see the options we have here. The first is Any. This option allows any machine in our machine catalog to use this tool while generating ANSI code. Next we have Unavailable. This option allows us to specify that no machine can use this tool. For those of you familiar with the tool catalog, you should remember having to create a special machine to do the same functionality. We also have the Multiple option, which allows us to assign this tool to be allowed for use on more than one machine while keeping it from use on other machines. And finally, we have the list of individual machines in the machine catalog. This allows us to limit the use of this tool to a single machine only. With the introduction of the S2M Center 2011 R2, you now have the ability to specify whether a tool can be automatically selected by the S2M Center's automatic tool selection logic or not. Going back to the tool catalog, you can see our new Allow Auto Select property. Setting this to Yes allows the tool to be automatically selected via the tool selection logic of the S2M Center. If this is set to No, then this tool must be assigned by the user to be used. With the introduction of the S2M Center 2011 R2, the Tool Display filter has been enhanced. Here you can see our Tool Display filter. Let's expand it to look at the options we have. Now you can see the available filtering options. When Any is selected, all tools, whether they have been assigned to a machine, are unavailable, or otherwise, will be shown. When a specific machine is selected, all tools that can be used by this machine are displayed. This will include any tools that have the machine property set to Any. With the introduction of the S2M Center 2011 R2, you now have more control over how dovetail joints are created. This information was covered in detail in the Drawers and Rollouts video for Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2. Please take a look at that video for more information on this feature. With the introduction of the S2M Center 2011 R2, you now have the ability to assign tool numbers to your tool sets. I would like to note that this functionality is specifically aimed at users that import parts via DXF. To take a look at this, let's go back to our tool catalog and look at a tool set. First, we will filter the tool types being displayed to tool sets. With a tool set selected, you can see the new tool number property here. With the introduction of the S2M Center 2011 R2, you can now specify horizontal slat definitions for tools being used inside of a tool set. Looking back at our tool set we selected earlier, let's select the Tool Shape tab. We are now looking at the tools that make up our tool set. This column defines the operation type that the tool will be creating. Let's click on one of them to see our new horizontal slat options. In previous versions, there was only a slats option. Now we have vertical slats and horizontal slats. Both function the same, so we will just click on the vertical slats option to see what we have to fill out. We can now see the various options available to define our slats operation. To learn more about these options, please read the Toolsets topic in the Ribbon Bar, Main tab, Tool Catalog section of the S2M Center help files. This concludes the demonstration on the new features in the Tool Catalog of the S2M Center 2011 R2. Thank you for viewing this video, and please take a look at our other videos on the new features of the S2M Center.